Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel RL2 Speak. Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you feel shy or afraid to speak English? Don't worry, this video is for you. I will share some simple and important steps to help you speak English fluently. If you follow these steps every day, then you can see better improvement. So, watch the video till the end. The first and very important step is don't afraid of mistakes. Many learners think, what if I make mistake? What if people laugh at me? But listen carefully. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are normal. You making mistakes means you are learning. When a child learn walk, he falls many times, but he doesn't stop. He try again and again. Then finally he can walk. Speaking English is the same way. If you want to speak English fluently, then you will make mistake, learn and improve. The second step is think in English. If you always translate from your mother tongue to English, you will speak slowly. So, you don't translate from your mother tongue. What will happen? You think in your mother tongue, then translate it into English, then you speak out. So, it takes time and sometimes create confusions. So, don't translate. You can practice like that. When you wake up, you think, I am waking up. I need to brush my teeth. When you think like this, then your brain automatically learn English. The third step is start with simple sentences. At first, you speak very simple and easy English sentences. Don't try long sentence. For example, you can speak, I am going to the market, I am learning English, it is very hot today. Start with very simple and easy sentences because simple English is good English. When you are comfortable with long sentences, then you can speak long sentence. The fourth step is every day learn 5 new English words. You don't try 50 or 100 new words. If you try to memorize 100 words a day, then you will forget all the words after few days. So, you only learn 5 new words and try to make sentences with them. For example, the word is improve. Then you can make sentence, I am improving my speaking skill. I want to improve English. And if you learn 5 new words every day, then after 30 days, you can learn 150 words. The next step is listening. Listening is very important for English speaking. You can practice, you can listen English podcast, you can watch English YouTube videos, and you can watch English interviews and English movies with subtitles. Listening improves our pronunciation and speaking speed. So, you need to listen every day. The next step is speaking. Fluency comes from speaking, not from watching or reading. So, if you want to improve your speaking skill and you want to speak English fluently, then you need to speak. You can practice in front of a mirror. You can record your voice on your phone and you can talk with your family member or any English speaking partner. So speaking is very important and you have to practice every day. Don't skip a single day. When you will in consistency, then one day you can speak very well. Fluency doesn't come suddenly, it comes step by step. If you think I will learn all the grammar rules, then I speak, but it will not happen. So don't wait for perfect English. You start speaking from now. Don't wait for tomorrow. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.